Imagine being completely healthy, yet unknowingly spreading a deadly disease to dozens of people. This is the shocking true story of Mary Mallon. Mary Mallon was an Irish immigrant who worked as a cook in New York in the early 1900s. But what she didn't know was that she was a walking carrier of a deadly disease, typhoid fever. Mary never got sick herself, but she carried the bacteria in her body. This made her the first recorded asymptomatic carrier of typhoid fever. Between 1900 and 1907, Mary worked in different households, and every place she worked, people got sick. At least 53 people were infected, and 3 died, all because of Mary's cooking. In 1907, public health officials finally connected the outbreaks to Mary. But when they told her she was spreading typhoid, she refused to believe it. Since she was a serious health risk, authorities quarantined her for 3 years. After her release, she promised to stop cooking, but guess what? She didn't. More people got sick, and in 1915, she was quarantined again, this time for 23 years. She lived the rest of her life in isolation until her death in 1938. Mary's case changed the world. Health officials created strict hygiene laws for food workers, and the term Typhoid Mary became famous, used to describe anyone who spreads disease without knowing. So, what can we learn from Typhoid Mary? Wash your hands, follow hygiene rules, and take diseases seriously. History has shown that a single person can unknowingly spread illness, so let's stay informed and stay safe.